Okay, this is the Nissan Titan. My project today is painting these wheels. So this is the center cap. I had to remove every other lug nut. Pops right off, and there's 3 of the lug nuts still holding it. I did that to all the tires, and here are the center caps. Right over here. And what I'm doing is I'm just scuffing it down with a pretty extreme coarse scrub pad. I'm going to do the same thing with the rims. I mean, they say that you don't have to, but I'm just doing it. And then here is the spray paint that I'm using. I'm using the textured black. And let me go out in the sunlight so you can see what kind of color it is. That's going to be the color of the rims. So after I clean it off, put some index cards in between the tire and rim, I will show you the end result after everything is painted. Okay, approximately after 3 hours, this is the result. I like it. I also used a clear coat, a 2X clear coat with hardener, and it came out pretty good. It was good without it. You really don't have to use the hardener, but I had to do this. This is a base coat, and I just used regular enamel, acrylic enamel, and then I used the 2X hardener, so I figured I had about a half a can left, so that's where it went. Anyway, so these are the caps. I just put this wheel together so you can see how it looks together. The other ones I'm not going to touch until tomorrow. Here is the end caps. It came out really nice. Really shiny. All right, just wanted to show you how it came out. And oh, let me just show you the products again. I used this. And then let's go to the garbage here, and I'll show you the 2X stuff that I used. It is this stuff. You have to bang this bottom piece in order to activate it. And then shake it vigorously, and then you're all done. But this was mainly for that Honda that was in the garage. Anyway, take care. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.